Now, for the seventh question, we were required to create case comments for these three actions, like when the case is created, when the case is closed, and the follow-up mail is sent to the owner or the manager. So, for this, there were a few ways to approach this question. One, we could have done in the flows itself, there is a case comment action. I could have added that, but there are also other ways to do using triggers or using invocable apex methods. I went with the second and the third option, and actually, the first option is also pretty simple and can be implemented pretty easily because we have already created flows, and it's just one more extra step to add a case comment, and it will be done. So it is very easy to implement there itself. Uh, but I implemented with Apex code just in like case of future things, like in the future there might be conditions wherein we are not creating flows but we need to add apex like this case comment. So for those for like that condition, I just thought it would be, because the flow approach will work only if there is already a flow present, or we'll have to sit and create a flow separately for the seventh question. And the apex code which I've written, either way, like, and next time also I'll have to write that code and just call the code. So yeah, so for the seventh question, let me show how I have implemented. First, you like when the case is created and the case is closed, I simply executed a trigger for it. So yeah, so after insert and after update triggers and the case comment methods are there. This is yes. So if we have created a case or we have closed a case in this case, so if like old map is null means we have created a case, and what I'm doing is, if this case if this has been like, if the case has been created, I am just iterating for each case in the new list. I am creating a new case comment and I'm adding the parent as this, and then the case has this case, and like the case ID has been created, and I'm going to publish it and I'm going to insert it. And in the close, if we are closing it, so I'm just checking if the status is equal to close for each case in the new list. I'm going to do similarly, this case is closed, and I'm just going to insert the case comment. And like for the examples we have done, like I have shown up till now, we can see here it will be there. um just 1 second. Yeah, so this case is created and this case is closed. So these are from this, these are the case comments I've created. For the third point, which was asking us to write when the follow-up mail sent to the owner or the manager, so for that I've created the epic action here. Let me close this. Yeah, so this, in this question, so after we have sent the mail, after that we are going to have an apex action, and that apex action mail to owner and this is like mail to the owner one, and this is invocable. Yeah, mail to the manager. No, this is mail to the manager. Let me open up the mail to the owner one. Oh, yeah. So mail to the owner comments, and similarly, I'm going to do all of like I explained. Just this mail case has been sent to the owner for a follow up. And the reason why I have created like not in that same class is because If it has a condition wherein only one invocable method can be created for each class. So I created a separate class for this method. Yeah, and this is like mail to the owner, and this one will be the mail to the manager, and the mail to the owner one will is connected to all the three apex action in this flow. So like this one and this one and this one, like high priority, medium priority, and low priority. And when we were creating the flow for sending the mail to the follow mail to the manager, this apex action and this apex action are related to yes, so to this, so mail to the manager, and this had been sent to the owner's manager for a follow. So yes, so this is how the code flow is going to work. So, if, for example, this is like one of the older examples I was trying. So, here, as you can see, this case has been sent to the owner's managers for follow up, or this case has been sent to the owner for a follow up. So, exactly, so here all the comments are visible, all the case comments are visible as expected. Uh, so, yes, so this is how I have implemented the seventh question.